Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop backup in Google Photos on your computer. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open Google Photos on your computer or laptop. Once you're on the main screen, move your cursor to the top right corner where you'll see several menu options. Next, click on the plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear with different options. From there, select Backup Folders. After that, you'll see a list of your backup folders. Click on the three-dot icon next to the folder you want to remove. Then click Remove and confirm by selecting Remove Folder. That's it. You've successfully removed the backup folder from Google Photos on your computer. And that's how you remove a backup folder in Google Photos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.